In this video we're going to show you how to remove the door lock and door barrel from an Audi A4 B6, B7. Tools you'll need for the job: an M8 spline bit, T20 torque screwdriver and a small flat screwdriver. To get access to the inner door panel and get to the lock, you're going to have to remove the door card first, the trim on the inside of the door. I'll link that in the description in one of our videos so you can remove that first. We need to remove the door lock barrel to get access to the door lock. There's a little grommet on the inside of the door, the one that's in line with the barrel. Get a small screwdriver, just pop that off, and behind there you can just see there's a T20 torqued. All you have to do is just wind that out. Wind it out until you feel it just start to get tight again. When it starts to get tight, get the trim tool and the door lock will just gently wiggle straight outwards. Now coming back to the inside of the door, pop the grommet through with the cable that runs to the handle. Slide that through into the door. And then there's a black plastic cover that's just covering all the back of the handle and the lock. That's going to need to come off. It is just clipped in at various points around the edge of the handle. See the mounting points there, 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 and then one at the top where it's hooked in. Undo the electrical connection that runs to the bottom of the lock. Need a small flat screwdriver, and you'll feel a little gap there where you can just press down on the tab and it'll pull down. So showing you there, that is the little tab that you need to push down on, and that'll release. And then there's a bar that runs down from the back of the handle. You just see that there, runs to the yellow clip. Just push the little yellow tab out the way, and the clip will pull out. You'll be able to pull the bar out. The last two bolts holding the door lock in, there's two M8 splines on the back of the door. Undo both of those. And from the inside of the door, pull the door lock away, and that'll come out.